everyone, my name is MYSHA. I am 6 years old. I am studying in National Public School. My class is 2.
Hi everyone, I am MYSHA Mishra's mother Nidhi. I just have to tell about her achievements. She has been participating in lots of things. Like when she was 4 years old, she was also come in Delhi newspaper, one of the newspapers, for her dancing skills. She is also good in singing. She has participated in Dubai Sur Sangam also, and she's also very good in maths, because she in class 1 she is the international topper in class in maths, and she has won lots of prizes. This was official participation in the highest number of participants. She was one among them, with all the teenagers, adults and everybody, and she has won also prizes in Rubik cube. So these are the major achievements of hers. And she's also participated in modeling. She has done in MYSHA, and in MYSHA website she's there, in shop clothes also she's there. She has also come on TV regarding her Max t-shirt advertisement. So that's it from my side. 35 into 11.
385.
Go back. 1000 minus 624.
376.
42 into 11.
462.
123 into 11.
1353.
65 square.
4225.
105 square.
9025.
12 into 6.
72.
18 into 6.
108.
Square roots of 81.
9.
Cube root of 64.
4.
Square root of 2916.
54.
Very good. Cube root of 68,921.
41.
Good.